Hello guys, currently I am at Mohananda Wildlife Sanctuary. This build is known as Sifkola. It is under the Mohananda Wildlife Sanctuary. I traveled almost 600 kilometers to photograph few rare species like black baza, VioletCuckoo. Every year, September, October, these species are active, so that's why I am here. I'll be staying almost 3 days here to photograph few rare species. The weather condition is good. There is no rain, though it's overcast, but so far so good. There is no rain, so I hope I'll able to shoot those rare species. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified.
Just look at this, how beautiful it is. This is the lower range of Mohananda Wildlife Sanctuary. I reached yesterday night and today morning onwards I am searching the birds. I got black baza. Now I am looking for the other species also. The main objective is to find out the VioletCuckoo. Last 2 to 3 days VioletCuckoo was spotted in this place, so that is why I am here. Let's see whether I am get it or not. White-borrowed picolet is the smallest in woodpecker family, the smallest woodpecker in the world. So this is very surprisingly I get this, and I am very happy. Today is the day 1, another 2 days left. So today I got almost 7 species, 7 bird species. Another 2 days. Let's see how much species I can able to photograph. Today is the day 2 in Mohananda Wildlife Sanctuary. Yesterday we got the shot of black baza, but today's main objective is to photograph VioletCuckoo. So that is the prime objective today. Let's see what I can get. I am at the same place where I was yesterday, and again I am start trekking upwards to find the birds. Let's see what kind of species I am able to photograph today. Today is the second day. There is no roads inside the tea garden. Sometimes I need to climb up and sometimes I need to go down, depends upon the bird position. Today also I won't find VioletCuckoo. Maybe the bird has changed its position, but I found some other species. It's a very fruitful day. Though I have not got the VioletCuckoo, but still the type of species I am able to photograph, I am very happy. This is called nature. You won't find everything in the same time. So let's see. Only one day left tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow what I can able to photograph. Day 3 starts with rain. Only 2 hours I was able to manage to photograph a few birds. Within these 3 days, I was able to photograph almost 20 species, which is a big number for any kind of wildlife photography. Now it's time to go back. Hope you all will like my work. If so, then please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new content.